Coming up on Dream Room in a Day.
Hey,
Ben.
how's it going?
Hi.
Hey, Aubrey.
Good to see you.
Pup. How you guys doing? A family's flex space gets a colorful glow up with a little something for everyone.
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
What?
This doesn't even look like the same place.
No.
It's pretty much not the same place.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever had big DIY dreams for your home but thought, it's too complicated, or there's just not enough time? I'm Philip. Most of the world knows me as DIY influencer, Philip or Flop. Nailed it. I'm an engineer, a busy dad, and I've tackled pretty much every DIY you can think of through good old trial and error. I've been transforming my own home for 15 years through approachable and show-stopping room makeovers, and now I'm here to help you. Each episode, one lucky family gets in the DIY driver's seat with a little help from me to make a big idea turn into a reality. Come on in.
Oh my God.
What? This is incredible. With the right tools, you can make your home incredible. This is Dream Room in a Day. My name is Philip, and I've been doing DIY for about 16 years. I got my very first place when I was in college, started working on that right away, and I've done multiple houses after that. This is one of the spaces that I've created. I'm a scientist, I'm an engineer. My wife's name's Jenny, and I have 2 daughters, and they love getting their hands on some tools. The Eckersons are a really sweet family. They have a son, a daughter, and they just got a brand new puppy.
I'm Winston. I'm London.
I'm Aubrey.
I'm Ben.
And we're the Eckersons. Both of our kids are athletes. Winston plays soccer and London plays softball. And we have a relatively new puppy named Holly, who we got for Christmas. We bought this house in 2013. And I think since we moved in, it's been kind of just one continuous project for Ben.
Really reimagine the space, and I think the playroom or the front room is one that we have our eye on, that we probably neglected more than the others.
And as the kids are getting older, we want it to continue to be a room that they love to be in, that they can enjoy for various different aspects of their life.
I'm at the Eckersons today. Today we're working on a room right in the front of their house. It's also a flex space. So this is gonna be challenging. We wanna make it really inviting for people coming to their home, but at the same time, really functional for their family. Let's go take a look. Hey Ben.
How's it going?
Hi.
Hey Aubrey.
Good to see you.
Hey Pup. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. Can you show me the space?
Come on in.
Let's go see what we're working on. Well guys, this is a really nice space. I love the big window, all the natural light coming in. I know you're using this as a play space and a homework space, but I feel like this room is big enough that we can do multiple things in this room. It doesn't have to be just a play space.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think what I'm envisioning is kind of separating it. Like we have a space for them to work and play, and another space for kind of inviting when people come over. It's a first spot to kind of hang out.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
I think it's great. Would you guys like to have a place that you can come and entertain your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think you told me before that maybe it's time for a paint color change as well.
Yeah, we want the space to express what the kids are into, and they have bold personalities. So I think whatever we can do to really take advantage of the natural light and make it a fun space that everybody likes being in.
Can it be green, neon green?
Neon green, wow. You like bold paint colors, bright colors.
I like teal.
You like teals? Okay, excellent. All right, well I'm excited to get started. Let's get this furniture out of here.
Let's
Yeah.
do it. All right.
Yay. This is gonna be great. Get everything.
The space I'm going to be working on is a room right to the left, right as you walk through the front door. It's a flex space for them, but a lot of people would use it as a formal sitting room or maybe even a dining room. Because this is the first room you see in the house, We want it to be functional for them, but we also want it to be very inviting for guests. It's a really big space and we're gonna split it right into two. The first area is gonna be a sitting area. The kids can use it, but it's also gonna be useful when they have company over as well. The second area is gonna be a functional workspace, a table and storage for the kids to sit and do homework or just do crafts or play games. The family's not afraid of using color in their home. They have a beautiful teal front door and they have some teal in the kitchen as well. They said, you can go bold in this room and I'm gonna do that. I'm using the color Coral Blush by Glidden. This Coral Blush color is a really bold color, but it's gonna work really well with the teal they already have in the home. I think my plan for this space is gonna really meet the homeowner's needs. It's gonna be really refined, but at the same time, have plenty of space for the kids to do all their activities. Y'all, this is a big wall. It's the first thing you see when you enter the space. So I'm thinking we need some interesting design feature to cover it. So what I've planned is board and batten, full height. Every 2 feet there's gonna be a vertical board. It's gonna really make this space really, really interesting, have nice texture on the wall. You can paint the wall before or after you put up the board and batten. A lot of people like to paint it before because you can just roll it all at once. So that's what we're gonna do. But first we have to cut in the ceiling. We're gonna use our Wooster brush to make a nice crisp line across the ceiling and then we'll roll. How about that?
Sounds great.
Overloading your paintbrush can lead to costly messes and mistakes. Let me show you how to properly load your paintbrush. We're gonna start by dipping our paintbrush no more than 1/3 of the way up the filaments. You're gonna let your excess paint drip off and then you're gonna lightly tap the inside of your can or pail. Don't scrape the paint using the edge of the can or the pail because you're gonna remove that paint you just loaded. Now you're ready to get started. Let the paint fall right into the corner and try not to touch the ceiling. What do you think?
It looks great. I love the color.
Smooth. All right, now that we've cut in the ceiling, it's time to get rolling. What we want to do is start off with a little bit of a W pattern. We're going to work our way down the wall and then we're going to come back with a nice even stroke from top to bottom to remove any roller marks. The Glidden diamond paint that we're using only needs 1 coat, but if we want to do 2 coats, it looks like we need to touch up some areas. We need to make sure that we just check the label for the dry time. Who's trying it first?
I'll do it.
Let's go for it.
Do I need to get more paint?
Yes, go ahead and load it up again.
Woo!
It's really important to know how to properly load a paint roller cover and a paintbrush. Let me show you how. To load your roller cover, first thing you gotta do is put some paint in your tray. It's important not to overfill because you need room up here in the grid to roll out your excess paint. With the roller cover on the frame, you're gonna get some paint from the well and drag it back kind of into the grid area. It takes time to get that paint really worked into the fibers of the roller cover. It might take a couple minutes. So keep doing this process over and over again until it's fully saturated but not dripping. That looks about right. When you're painting the wall, don't try to stretch the paint with the roller too far. Keep it fully loaded, it's gonna give you a much better finish. Now you're ready to roll. It was so fun to get the homeowners in on this project. It was Aubrey's first time using a miter saw and a nail gun, and I think she had a blast. All right, now come back up a little bit and then start the saw. There you go.
Woo! I did it.
Nice job.
Working with Philip is great. I appreciate his willingness to get me involved, knowing that I've done stuff myself, and just, I don't know, really easy to work with.
Yeah, I wouldn't say painting is my expertise, but I do feel more empowered now to do it efficiently and the right way.
I feel like I learned a lot today.
Y'all are doing an awesome job putting this trim up. I'm really impressed. But you know what? I'm actually bringing in a whole crew and we're finishing this whole project today, like furniture and everything.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And you're not involved anymore.
Oh.
I'm kicking you out and you're coming back when it's all done.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
All right,
So
let's go.
head on out. See you in a few hours.
I can't believe we're doing this in just one day.
I'm really excited to see how everything turned out.
Can't wait for the kids to see it.
putting the finishing touches on this room, and when you're picking a plant, lighting is key. The Planta app actually has a really cool feature where it has a built-in light meter. From there, Planta recommends the best plants for that spot. All right, you guys, are you ready to see your new room?
Yes.
We're ready.
I think it's truly a dream room. Let's go check it out.
All right.
So when we go past, you can't look in.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna look this way
Okay.
so that you don't get a sneak peek. I have to tell you, I think this is one of my favorite rooms that I've ever done.
Wow.
Oh
You hear
man,
that? Did
I'm
you
so
hear that?
excited.
We made it. Ready to check it out?
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
This doesn't even look like the same place.
Not.
It's pretty much not the same place. I love the family's reaction to this room. The kids were so excited. I think the color with the board and batten and the new furniture, it really is a showstopper.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, I love those.
I got you a new
I love the
plant.
couch.
Yes, I love plants.
I know you all noticed the plants. They're all real plants. Have you taken care of real plants before?
I've kept human kids alive for 10 years, but I'm just starting to dip my toes into the world of being a plant mom.
Okay, I'm gonna set you up with the Planta app, which is an app that helps you log your plants and gives you a schedule for how you're supposed to take care of them.
Oh man, that's gonna be
so
amazing.
It is really helpful.
Oh, I love that. Look what I did.
Oh.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. That's really cool.
So this, guys, this is your new space to do crafts, do homework, hang out with each other, have your friends over and talk to your friends. So many things you're gonna be able to do in this space.
This rug.
You like the
You
rug?
like the rug too?
It's very cool.
And mom and dad, when you have friends over, now we have a nice little sitting space in the front of the house.
Yeah.
You can enjoy this beautiful window.
The room feels so much bigger.
It
in a
really
way.
does feel so much bigger.
But also, having two different spaces, I really enjoy how the space is divided up. I think previously, it being a larger space, it felt a little bit too big for any one or two people to hang out in. And I think the way that it's set up now, definitely it's more functional in that way.
It feels like we can be sitting in there visiting as adults, having family time, and the kids have a place of their own as well.
Dream room? Check that one off the list.
Thanks, Philip!